At Realme 8 Pro launch event, Realme showed that these products matter to them. It was an hour-long launch event of their different products such as Realme 8 Pro, Realme Smart Scale and Realme Smart LED lights.
Apart from the fantastic smartphone offerings, we will also bring two new Realme Tech Life gadgets, Realme Body Scale and Realme Smart Bulb.
Today we are going to take a deep dive into the recently launched Realme 8 Pro. Guys, this is the first look into the Realme 8 Pro and not a comparison video. However, recently Redmi Note Pro Max also launched and this falls under the same price bracket and it's worth looking at these two launches. Hi guys, this is Santosh from SK Tech. Welcome back to my channel. Realme 8 Pro styling. Realme has given a frosted texture at the back with Air to Leap embossed on the chassis that illuminates in the dark. This may entice the younger generation, but it may not appeal to your uncles and aunts. So, in my opinion, the design of the Realme 8 Pro is not the selling point, though there is an uniqueness to this design. Realme 8 Pro is available in three different colors, illuminating yellow, infinite black, and infinite blue. I personally like the infinite black. Realme 8 Pro's one of their selling point is the camera. So, what they have done is, in addition to existing camera mode, they have added neon portrait, tilt shift and pro nightscape modes. Also on the main camera, they have upgraded from 64 megapixel to 108 megapixels. But sensor size has decreased from Sony's IMX682 1 by 1.73 inches to Samsung's HM2 1 by 1.52 inches. Yet, in the sample pictures, we have seen that the Samsung ISO cell HM2 sensor and the 9-in-1 pixel binding technology will take a brighter high dynamic picture. Also, the in-sensor zoom technology can 3x zoom into the subject and take 8 pictures, something like burst mode, and process them instantly and gives an output equivalent to 3x optical zoom. Looking at these samples, it is obvious that 3x in-sensor zoom working hard to produce pictures match the pictures taken from 3x optical zoom camera. So, it's a quad camera setup, right? Apart from the 108 megapixel main camera, we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel black and white lens. In the video recording, we have different modes: starry time-lapse video, tilt shift time-lapse video, dual view video, ultra nightscape video, UIS video stabilization, and 4K recording options. In the sample video, we have seen Realme 8 Pro capturing good quality pictures. If you are liking this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to receive the latest updates. Well, Realme has not upgraded the processor from the previous generation Realme 7 Pro. So, we have to live with the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. Considering the price range of this smartphone, well, this is not much of a trade-off. In this segment, the competitor Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with Snapdragon 732G processor, but it is 2 to 3,000 rupees expensive. The Snapdragon 720G processor should be good enough for a daily drive. Don't get me wrong when I say Realme has not upgraded. Companies cannot upgrade each and every feature of the smartphone. At certain price point, companies need to decide what they need to upgrade and what they should not. If you follow the iPhone launch, some Apple fans have the same criticism. That said, as the technology gets cheaper over a period of time, companies have to offer more and more features at the same price point that they sold at the previous generation. There is no denying of this fact. It looks like Realme has upgraded the display. In the launch event, the Realme 8 Pro, there was a mention of 180 Hz touch sampling rate, which is really good. However, there is no number associated with the touch sampling rate for the Realme 8 Pro's predecessor. There isn't any change to the other aspect of the display. It is the same 6.4 inch 2400 by 1080 resolution, 409 pixel density, and 91% screen to body ratio. Now, let's see what we have in storage and multitasking category. Realme has really kept this simple like its predecessor. Realme 8 Pro gets only two variants of RAM, 6GB and 8GB, and you don't have any option but to choose 128GB, which I think is sufficient for a normal usage. Realme 8 Pro comes with 4500 mAh 65 watt charger which supports 50 watt super dart charging, which is superior to Redmi Note 10 Pro Max 33 watt fast charging. However, the 50 watt charging is a downgrade from its predecessor. We remember that Realme 7 Pro came with 65 watt fast charging. However, this isn't a deal breaker. At SK Tech, I am embarking to the new heights. It's always a one-man show here. I endeavor to bring you the best content, sticking to its true essence. SK Tech is a tech channel, yet my motto is to keep it as simple and as knowledgeable as possible. What this means is, other than my other routine, I have to work for this channel, right? So only if my videos are being viewed with no subscription, the channel will take a hit. As always, I request please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. So that's all guys for today. I'll bring more such tech videos. I'll see you in my next video.